Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can fix the Wi-Fi icon not showing up on the taskbar. Well, sometimes when you install Windows Update, they just don't sync well, due to which some functionalities of Windows 11 stop working properly. Like here you can see that after turning on the system, the Wi-Fi icon is not showing up. Well, before making any changes in the settings of your Windows 11, like going to Network and Internet under Settings, or Network and Sharing Center under Control Panel, or updating Network Adapter Driver under Device Manager. Or making any other changes, just restart your system. Most of the times, it fixes itself by just restarting the system. And here you can see that by just restarting the system, the installed Windows 11 updates synced properly and the Wi-Fi icon starts showing up. And now you can start working on your system normally. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.